Show you the issues I have with the Caterpillar Marine Power display. This is going on between multiple of my displays. I've got 4 of them. I just have 2 right over here nearby. But when you put it in night mode, it's not doing it right now, but the light inside flickers. You can see one just went out now. See how it's darker on one side? And when you're underway and you know there's vibrations going through your boat, the light flickers on and off. And it also happens on other displays that I have. As you can see on this one, it's the other side. Maybe I can bump it and turn this. Oh, see, it turned on. And that is not repairable. You can't change a bulb, you can't do anything about that, besides buy a new display. Overall though, that's my issue with it. Not a big fan of the Caterpillar displays, not just for that reason. They're not really the easiest things in the world to read when you're looking at them at an angle. When you have a lot of equipment, you know, it seems like you have to look quite a ways away to see it. But that's the problem with Caterpillar Marine Power displays.